fell off. I fell off of 75 Soft, and I'm like, okay, no more excuses, no more putting things off. We are getting it together today. So today's video is gonna be the reset of the reset, okay? Sunday reset. It's a Sunday today, which is perfect. All right, so if you're new here, my name is Brittany. I'm doing 75 Soft. I've kicked this off a few weeks ago, and now we are a little over the midpoints. I fell off, but we're starting again. I'm gonna put up my list of rules here so that we can, be on the same page and you guys know what exactly were the goals I'm setting for myself. So if you need some inspo, if you are trying to do a little reset and trying to have a little fresh start, this video is for you. Okay, we're doing everything. I'm going back over my list, making sure I hit everything today. I have a hat on because my hair looks crazy. Nothing says reset more than wash day. So we are gonna get into a very, 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 very intense wash day, extra hydration, extra everything. I'm gonna do my everything shower, another indicator of a intense reset. That was the best everything shower I have taken in a long time. We also did our hair routine. Oh my gosh, curls are fresh. Like, I can't describe this feeling. If you're feeling a little off, a little down, do a little everything shower, do a reset, wash your hair. I'm about to do my face reset too, pluck my eyebrows, shave my face, a little skincare mask, all the good things. But first, I wanted to show you guys what I used for my everything shower. So if this body care kind of maintenance doesn't interest you, I always put chapters in my videos, so go ahead and feel free to jump to different parts of the video that you might find more entertaining, more valuable, more interesting. But for the girls who love a good body care routine, this is what I did in the shower today. So I exfoliated using my little brush thing. I think you're supposed to use this dry, but I do not like intentional pain. So I use it wet. It still hurts or feels a little bit off, but I feel like that has to be enough exfoliating. So I use that all over my body. And then I go in with a more chemical exfoliant. This is the Dermalogica resurfacing charcoal-based powder exfoliant. I usually just use whatever chemical exfoliant on my body that I have that doesn't work for my face. So that was too strong for my face. So instead of throwing it out, I just use it on my body. Now for my body wash, I used Dove body wash all over, and then as my topper, I love the Naturium Glow Getter body oil wash. This feels so good. And I let this sit for a few minutes too. So this was the last step. Also, if you are a shaver like me, I've tried the waxing, it's not for me. So I shave the best razor. I've tried them all. I've tried the men's, I've tried the women's. Trust me, Hairy Girl approved the Flamingo razor. But this razor will give you the absolute smoothest shave, 100%. Like regular Vaseline, cocoa butter lotion, but if I didn't use that, I usually use this Naturium Retinol body lotion 2 to 3 times a week. Gotta keep everything snatched, gotta keep the skin tight, and the retinol will do that. I do my arms, I save that for camera, but I'll just put my Vaseline. I'm going to use my Aveeno body oil. This body oil is so glowy. It's amazing. If you put this on before going out in the summertime, your skin is going to literally glow, and it's so affordable. This is from the drugstore. It's one of my favorites. It really gives you a little, like, do you guys see that? Oh my God. Guys, I'm about to do my face, like my eyebrows. So much growth on my face, peach fuzz everywhere. Before we even start, let's go over some of the rules that I even set out for myself for 75 Soft. Feel free to use this as inspo if you want to do this for your own challenge. We got wake up at 6 a.m. It's the weekend, so that doesn't count. But workout. I worked out yesterday, and we're not working out today. Today's rest day, Sunday rest day. This would be more so if I'm following a weekly schedule, but since it's Sunday, we can skip the workout for today. The get ready, I'm gonna say that's basically what I'm doing now. My hair and doing my face and putting on a cute little outfit. Whereas usually the get ready would be makeup every single day, at least 10 minutes. But we're home today. Let's just focus on what's under the makeup, the skin. Vitamins I did take, hit calorie and protein goal. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make that just because I had my first meal kind of late in the day. But we'll have at least like 3 good solid meals, so that's fine for today. The last meal 8:30. Probably not today. Probably gonna be around 9:30. My daily body care and skincare we are gonna do tonight. Physically in bed by 10:30, and then we are going to read as well. So let's get into the face reset. I feel a lot better. Low-key kind of messed up this tail. That was an accident. Whoops. Oh my god, my face feels so much smoother after taking off that hair. And my eyebrows still look like more manicured. I did thin them out a little bit. Oh. Wow. Oh guys, physical reset done. Feeling glowy, feeling smooth, feeling refreshed. This is what I needed so badly. This is good. Okay, now let's go and do our weekly meal prep. It's gonna be a small one, short, quick, easy, simple. I wanna do it before the sun goes down. Meal prep time, we're keeping it short, we're keeping it sweet. Chicken drumsticks, I'm just gonna season that, put it in the oven. Tomato, cucumber salad, just as a side for the next couple days. And then some chia seed pudding. I'm gonna do 2 flavors, like a coffee flavor and then a key lime flavor, and then some tuna, so that I can have that on toast in the morning throughout the week. That's it. So let's get to cooking. So I finished the salad, I finished the tuna, both really quick and easy. I'm gonna make some chia seed puddings. Now I'm gonna make a key lime and a coffee flavor, and I like to make them with this high protein milk because it adds more protein to it. And then in the morning time, I always top it off with high protein Greek yogurt. So even more protein, just like protein packed, perfect for breakfast or like first thing in the morning especially. It's the fact that it's already made and I can just grab it and go. It's my favorite thing about it. Kind of just eyeball it, but I always prefer for it to be on the thicker side because you can always add more milk in the morning to loosen it up a little bit. So I'm gonna put vanilla in all 4. I mean in all of them, the key lime and the coffee flavor. And now I'm gonna also put a little bit of nutmeg. Now sweetener. For the coffee, I'm gonna use this coffee infused maple syrup that I got at a local market recently. Oh, that tastes so good. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Now for the 2 key lime pie, I'm gonna use just regular coffee creamer because I want it to be very creamy. And then this will also sweeten it up a little bit. Of course, for the key lime, main ingredient. Okay, meal prep done. I am so excited that I got this done. I got my meals for a couple days. We got the chicken, just some oven baked chicken. I don't know why it looks burnt in the camera, but it's not burnt. It's just little cooked. Okay, I guess burnt. Here's the chia seed puddings that we made. Just some tuna and onion. I'm trying to decide if I want to add mayo or not, so I will decide that tomorrow when I put it on my toast. That's what I'm gonna be having tuna on toast with melted cheese for breakfast this week. We have a little fresh salad, tomato, cucumber, red onions. I put some balsamic glaze on top too to give it a little bit of like a balsamic taste. And then this is the pasta salad that I made yesterday. It just has some peppers, dill, mayo, onion, and chickpea as well in there. So yes, guys, quick meal prep, quick meal prep today. Meal prep is like the perfect way to tie in for this little reset to the reset. So I'm happy. I've got meals and everything covered for the next few days. Now we're gonna finish off our list, and then we just have our body care and reading tonight. So I'm gonna see you guys in a couple of hours when it's time to unwind and do a little bedtime, nighttime routine. Here we are at the end of the day. Did the 30-minute, well, it wasn't 30 minutes, it was more like a 15-minute clean blitz of my space, primarily the kitchen. Now I just want to kind of get back into some of my routines. I really want to get back into my hair density serum. This is the Ordinary Multi-Peptide Serum for hair density. I was supposed to use this consistently for the past, like during the 75-day challenge, but I haven't been the most consistent. Like the past 3 weeks, maybe 4, I haven't used it. So I want to at least try to finish the bottle and see. So far, I feel like, I don't know if I've seen changes. Kinda. I don't know. I feel like I honestly cannot comment confidently because I haven't used it consistently. I don't know. Let me finish the bottle and I will let you guys know. But I'm just going to do a little scalp massage for a few minutes. Get some blood circulation going, blood flow, hair growth, hopefully. And that's it for our nighttime routine. We did it. You know, when I started the challenge, and probably you might feel the same way. It's like, you know, when you start something, you got the motivation, the excitement, and you have like a vision of how it's gonna go by the end of the process, and it just doesn't go according to plan. I really thought, honestly, I was gonna be sticking to this. Every single day was gonna be a hit. You know, maybe 1 or 2 off days, but this is my commitment to getting back on track, and we got 1 more month to go hard. On a positive note, I am seeing changes in my body. Finally, which I knew was going to take about 1.5 months anyway. So finally seeing some muscle, seeing some body. So it's like, okay, that is also positive reinforcement. Like it's like, okay, let's get back. Let's not lose what we gained, literally. So anyways, I hope this helped you guys, you know, maybe realize that life just isn't perfect sometimes and we just got to roll with it and get back on the horse when we fell off. You know, that saying is a saying for a reason. So it felt good to just try again and like get back in the mindset. Today was a pretty good day. Like I really got a lot done today. I'm gonna go head into bed, read my book, and that's it for today. So thank you guys so much for hanging out today, and I will see you in the next video.